He's gonna miss them.
Brown is checked in for Eric Bledsoe.
Oh,
That's also
what?
good, so he hits both.
You said it was a three-pointer.
Quarter two and just under 2.5 minutes gone by.
That's some bull.
Irving dishes to Martin. Wallace right
side. Oh, you got Martin? Nice.
He's actually good. You should actually try to get him. He's cheap.
He's a three-point monster.
Get Simbular too. Try to get that tall center. His name is Simbular. Try to get him.
Missing the shot. He'll shoot two. That's on Lewis Williams.
And I like the fact that the defense is looking to
Bro, look at this game, yo. It's not letting me shoot free throws already. There we go.
He hits the second from
The fact that this game is so close and I have all these, well,
a little over 2.5 minutes now. Kicks it to Simmons. On the wing, Williams.
Get out of here. That's Ben Wallace.
I was gonna do that double clutch.
Oh, and the jam by Anthony.
excellent work there in transition.
You want to play till the third quarter and then play something else? We could just wait. We could just go to my court and then just we could just go to my court and then just shoot around and not play against each other.
I thought the defense was just there a little late.
Yeah, it looked like it. I mean, he kind of slid underneath as he got to the spot, too.
Aldridge kicks to Fareed.
Fareed, oh, he's a rebounding monster.
No, he's not. What? Let's go.
Shoot one more at the free throw line.
Hey, I'm gonna put Fareed up there for you. I'm gonna put him as 500. Try to snipe him, alright?
Well, listless and lifeless at the
I'm gonna put him for 550. Do you have MT?
They've really got to pick up that interior defense.
If you don't, then I'll give you some. Just put like a bronze card up.
Lays it up and in off the pretty assist.
Give credit where credit is due right there. A terrific assist.
Kid, no good.
Come on, man. Gotta make that.
Here's Brown.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that was actually shit. Yeah, they messed you over on that.
Three-pointer, Kid.
Yo.
But they get it back. Aldridge dishes to George. And some nice ball movement here by Chicago. 1:03 left to play in the first half. Out to the right wing. Kid with the steal. And now the fast break. George with the ball. Shot clock at 5. Takes the three. Can't get it to go.
Bro, come on, Paul.
They have a
you gotta be able to make that, man.
They go quick.
Yeah, I don't think they have to rush, though, Greg. Just need to find a good shot this time.
8 seconds.
Yeah, I'm gonna end it after this. Last shot wins. Last shot wins, and the person has a chance to redeem themselves. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah.
It's Westbrook with the drive.
Yeah. That's game. That's game. I'm sorry. I wanted to get that over with though, cause that was kind of boring. Hold on. Put a card up. Put a card up for like 3,000.
$3,000.
Yeah. 3,000. Put your card up. Put a card up for 3,000. One of yours.
Active bid.
I'm gonna look at the auction house real quick because I'm trying to see how much Ben Wallace is going for because I might sell him back. Cause he low keys, I bought him for like 18K and now he's going for less. So let's see if someone bought all the cheap ones.
Ultimate auction. Let's see. How much should I put?
Put a bronze card. Put like one of your worst cards. Like put up like a logo for 3,000, and let me know what it is. Like screenshot and send it to my map. Like, look, see, this is what's pissing me off. Someone put their card up for 14K. Like, why? Bro, look at... Bro, if you go on my stream right now, you can see how laggy the auction house is, yo. Like, it's sad.
I don't even think I touched stream because stream is not up or something.
What, my stream?
Yeah, every time I try to watch it.
Do you know my stream thing?
What the hell? It says it's not available in the region.
What?
The broadcast, this service is not available in your country.
Do it again.
Listen, party.
Who am I trying to get?
Yeah, broadcast is stopped.
I'm gonna see how much that Quiet Leonard goes for. Yeah. Are you kidding me? There's no defensive Quiet Leonards? Nah. What? Why? Why is there not a Quiet Leonard, yeah? I don't know who to get. I'm like I don't know who to get at all. I'm gonna look at these. I'm gonna look at Tracy. I don't know who to get.
Tracy McGrady or what?
Tracy McGrady, the new one that just came out. I don't know who to get. And I want my cards to sell because I have more MT. Because I'm selling my Blake, my DeMarcus Cousins I pulled, and who else? Moments card. Oh no, no choice. Bro, look at this, yo. Like, this is real AIDS, yo. Who should I get? I don't know who to get. Huh? I have... I'm gonna see who I could get with all of my MG. Did you put a card up? Put like a coach up. Put like a coach up and then send it to me. And make sure you put the buy now as 3,000. What? You kidding me? Oh man. Hold on. I'm gonna see if I can snipe a card real quick and then I'll buy your card. Oh my, alright, whatever. Let me see. Magic. Hold on. I'm about to buy right now. Bro, it's not letting me find it, yo. Like, I'm dead ass serious. It's not letting me find it.
It's alright.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, man. Hold on. I'm trying to look for it. I can't find it. Fuck. Fuck, man.